Hi, I'm Mike from Commodore. Today I'll be showing you how to install a 7 amp into a Holden VE. So I've got a built-in 7 amp, which is from Candice. It's an FXB12A, 400 watt. As you can see, it's got an amplifier already built into the sub itself. So basically what you'll need is a basic wiring which will come with the pack, which is normal power wire, ground wire, and remote wire, which I'll show you what you need into the cars. With this install, you basically just need a electric tape, a plier tool to remove anything so they don't damage it, screwdriver or a drill, and cable snippers or cutters, which you'll get from JCO or online from eBay. I've also got over here an inline converter, which I'll show you where to connect it into the car. So that's basically it. Let's get started. To begin with, you got to take out this panel over here. It's just a little strip like this above the steering wheel, which we'll use the pry tool for it. That's off. So now what you'll do is, with this panel underneath the steering wheel, you just pull it towards you and it should come out. Just like that. You have a panel on this driver door side and you just push it towards the door here and hold it that way and pull it down, like so. Once the panel comes out, there will be a clip that will sit where the light switch is. There will be a little plug behind. Just unplug that and that'll be out of there. Now, as you see, I've already cut the. As you can see, I've took all this out. So then there's a panel over here which has a little clip. Use your pry tool again and just take it out. Easy. And should come right off of that. Now once that comes out, we can get to the back of the head unit to tap into the speakers. Now over here is the back of the head unit's main plug, which you have to unplug with a pry tool. So you just underneath it, lift it towards you, will come out, and then just put it towards you and then take it out. Speaker wires of the car. So the grey one will be tapped into the right speakers, and the white will be tapped into the left speakers, just like an aftermarket head unit would be. You'll also be getting brown wires, but most cars don't need it. But if, for example, it doesn't work or something's wrong, and it's because of the non-converter, then just power to the ground of the head unit, and it should be fine. But we wouldn't be using it today, so we should be using this too. I've allocated my speaker wires for the Holden VE, and to save you time, the front right light green and dark green, which is there, and the front left are grey and brown. So the lighter color is usually always the positive. So for example here, the lighter green is your positive for the front right speakers, and then the white here is your positive for the front left speakers. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap into them, and I'll show you how I go from there. Now I'm going to just connect the amplifier trigger wire, which will come with the pack, to the blue. And with the VE, you'll find the basic connection wire is a white plug over behind the other ones, and it comes out a yellow wire, which will connect. You tab this into it, and then we run it all the way back to the car, connect to the amp. Now I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll get back to you. Now I'm going to connect the RCA wires to the inline converter as a red and white and run it through to the back of the car and follow me from there. Tuck your RCA wires through or your this wire through, and it should go into the bit and then you just pull it out. Now just follow what I tried to do. For the Holden BE, you got the rubber match. You don't have to take it out, it's fine, or to feel the work. You just grab the wires that you put in on the front and just pull at the back. So there we go. All the wires are out now, and now we can get working in. Now we got all the wires out. First time to put the terminals onto the wire. I just grab them from J-Car. They're fine. A gauge, whatever comes. Some amp kits will already come with it, so you have to do it. But if you guys haven't done it, I'll just show you how to quickly do it. So what you gotta do. Snap some of it off. Trim it to a normal size. That should be fine. There you go. And twist it. Alright, just like so. and always put it in first. If it's too much, just take it out, cut the extra off, just so it looks much nicer and neater. And there you have it. And now with this one, use one of them ones to just clamp it on. There you go, like that. Close it off, and there you have it. Do the same with a negative wire, and you should be all fine. Now what's good about the Holden V8 is the batteries are all at the back, so it's really close to the amp. So what you're going to do is connect your positive to your terminal and negative to the negative terminal on your battery. And I'm going to run it through the back of the mat, and it come up from the back there where it will connect straight to the amp. So just now it's time to put this up on, and so it goes from there. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something out of it. If there's any problems during your installation, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you.